Hi, my name is Sita Syal, and I am a senior in chemical engineering with an international minor. And I am one of the Library Research Student Award winners for my research dealing with waste to energy. Waste to energy is a process in which waste is incinerated in a controlled manner and used to generate electricity. EPA actually calls this one of the cleanest sources of energy. My research was dealing with the incombustible material that was left over, the ash, and how we could reuse that for major infrastructure such as highways, levees, or dams. I first started this research project when I was a freshman, and a big literature review was needed to begin. Using many of the resources in the library was unfamiliar to me, so I had to go in and learn how to use Merlin, the online catalog, the different databases for scientific journals, the interlibrary loan system to find those hard-to-find sources, things like that. The librarians at the library were very helpful in finding these sources. I first worked on my literature review and gathered lots of information on geotechnical tests done on this ash. Many of this information was not gathered before, so this was something new for the industry. I took lots of data found in these sources and put them together and compared them to see what sort of substance this ash was and what we were looking at. We wanted to see if this ash could be used as a construction material. I ended up putting these graphs together and putting all of this information together to complete the end of the year by presenting my research at the Lansing state capital of Michigan in Lansing, Michigan. I also presented this at the annual Undergraduate Research Opportunity Symposium at the end of the academic year as well, and won an Outstanding Poster Award. For my second year, I went back to this lab and worked on a team with graduate students to actually perform these geotechnical tests that I had studied the year before on real-life samples of ash. We were looking to add our own data to these graphs that I had generated the year before to see if it fit with what the literature said. I worked on this team and performed these tests. And through that, I looked up more research and used different libraries to find more information, including ASTM standards, lab manuals, things like that. We ended up putting all of this information together into a journal article, which I am a co-author of. And this journal article is submitted and currently under peer review. This process of applying for the Library Research Award was really great because it forced me to bring together my ideas and put them in some sort of writing to a committee that had never heard of my presentation or my research before. It was very good to bring together all of my knowledge as well as the different resources that I used through the library, which were extremely helpful. It was a really great experience to apply, and I'm very honored to win this award, and I hope to get the message across campus for other students doing research to apply as well. Thank you.